The lovely quilt behind me was made by Sarah Soward of Pauline's Patchworks for one of the Justhands-on.tv retreats. It's a lovely quilt and has a brilliant twist in it visually. And it reminded me actually of the Bright Hope block, which has the same sort of twist using a partial seam technique. And that's what I'm going to show you today. So I've taken, what you do is you take a center square and you have 4 strips of fabric that are the same size as each other. The fabric only has to travel across one border. And because of that, we need to do a partial seam to start with. So I'll talk you through that, but it is a technique that is very easy to do. It's also something to think about with possibly for borders, because if you imagine this is a whole quilt, this could be your border. You actually get away with slightly less fabric. It's the same because this piece only has to come across one border. So sometimes that gets you out of trouble.